Hi everyone, this is Niazul Hassan, a senior Java trainer of Quality Thought. In this video, I'm going to explain importance of AI. Today, you go to any social media platform, so you can see AI, you can see. Do you know AI is there before also? AI was there in Facebook. AI was there in Google. AI was there in Spotify. But when ChatGPT came in the market now, so that time AI becomes what here highlighted. But now the question will come, sir, what is this AI? If I give you technical definition of AI is a artificial intelligence, or you can say it is a field of computer science that focuses on computers to perform tasks typically required human intelligence. If you go to the general definition of artificial intelligence, so you can say artificial intelligence is a ability to design the computers to copy human behaviors. So that is the main purpose of AI. So today you can see AI we are using in multiple places. Today AI is used in healthcare to find out disease diagnosis or to perform drugs discovery. Today even we can see AI is using in finance, to create trading algorithms, or you can say to find out the fraud detection. Even AI is using today in automotive to design self-driving cars. Today we can see AI we are using in entertainment purpose also, especially for customer service, like we have a Netflix, Spotify, YouTube. So based on our searching algorithms, it will give you the recommended videos. So AI is there everywhere, but many of them having one question: will this AI will replace the developers? Will AI can occupy all the jobs in IT company? So to understand this question, you need to know there are two types of AIs. AI is there in our market. One is called weak AI. One is called strong AI. And do you know, weak AI is also known as narrow AI, especially to perform narrow areas. For example, you can take Chat GPT, you can take surveillance, nothing but CCTV cameras, even you can take Google Maps, you can take. So these all comes under what here? Weak AI. What about strong AI? Strong AI is a futuristic, but till now it is not achieved. So remember, if you have a weak AI, because currently we are dealing with weak AI in the market, so weak AI cannot replace the developer, because developer can do multiple tasks. It is not possible for weak AI to replace the developer. But when it is comes to strong AI, there is a chance of strong AI can replace the developer. Why? Because strong AI is specially designed to perform multiple tasks. But even I want to tell one more point, sir. Sir, when it is comes to AI, sir, when it is comes to AI, sir, AI is there only in Python or in data science, not in other languages. No, it is not like that. So today AI becomes integrated part of every technology. Even in Java also we have a AI, sir. Suppose if you are a Java developer, if you have experience in Java, or if you have a knowledge in Java, and if you want to learn AI, then you need to go for one framework that is introduced recently, that is known as Spring Boot AI. And remember, if you know Spring Boot, then only you can learn Spring AI, you can learn, sir. So what I mean to say is nothing but with the help of this Spring AI, we can develop generative applications. Generative applications means we can develop text to images, text to speech. Okay. So this type of generative applications we can develop by using Spring AI. And remember, if you're planning to learn AI in Java, so definitely you need to go to the sub module of a Spring framework that is known as Spring AI. And today we have seen, sir, when we are going for an interviews, even majority of the companies are targeting for AI questions only. So if you are expecting one job in a reputed company, and if you want to go as a Java with AI developer, so definitely you need to learn Spring AI. And remember, in Quality Thought, we are giving you Java with AI, DSA, and cloud integration also. So it's a combination of multiple, technologies. And if you come to Quality Thought, definitely you'll get a platform to enhance your skills compared to other training centers. And when it is comes to packages, see, if I'm going to a company as a Java developer, so might be they won't give much package to me, but when I'm going to any company Java with AI, so definitely they will give you good packages also. And we have seen that there are many multinational companies and medium scale companies are giving priority for Java with AI only. So if you are looking for the scope is good. So if you are looking for packages are good. So I say, if you are not doing any AI today, so if you are not learning AI in today's era, so definitely you won't get the job tomorrow in future. Otherwise, if you get a job with your luck or with destination, might be you cannot survive in that company. So I request, if you want to learn Java with AI, or if you want to upgrade your skills in AI, especially in the Java domain, so please come to Quality Thought. So you can contact to our career guidance team. Even they will give you the proper guidance to you how you can start your career from the beginning as a beginner. So this is all about this video. So if you have any queries, please visit to Quality Thought. So if you are living in a long distance, so if you could not able to come here, so we are giving you one contact number below in this video. Even you can contact, and if you want to attend online, career guidance, even we will provide you. Thank you, and we will meet in the next video.